The Joint Operations Command JOC, Zimbabwe's top security coordinating board, held an emergency meeting in Harare on Monday amid growing panic over a 2-day national shutdown called by war veteran and activist Comrade Blessed Geza. Sanapenda mashikoblanyo kwa pana pachinzi aiwa the Joint Operation Command panguva ino iri in a panic mode apo kweyogara musangano after Geza akula up for shutdown or subscribe like on the bell icon tipina pana pamudlanyo kwa mchinzi. According to sources close to the meeting, JOC, which includes heads of the military, police, and intelligence, ordered the deployment of undercover security officers at key locations across the capital's central business district. Their mission: arrest and detain anyone suspected of attempting to disrupt business or government operations. The meeting was convened shortly after Geza released an audio message declaring a nationwide stay hour scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday, urging Zimbabweans to remain at home in peaceful protest against President mnangagwa's rule. Security officials reportedly flagged several high-risk locations, including Mutapa Building, which houses the President and Cabinet, Parliament Defense House, and State House, as potential targets for sabotage. The state's anxiety has been further fueled by fears of bomb attacks or coordinated disruptions, according to insiders. In a show of alarm, the Public Service Commission (PSC) also issued a strongly worded circular on Monday, warning civil servants against participating in the shutdown. However, critics say the panicked reaction reveals a regime increasingly out of touch and rattled by growing public anger, with the economy in free fall, rampant corruption, and public service in decay. Frustration is mounting. The Zimbabwean dollar has collapsed, inflation is out of control, and essential goods are unaffordable for most citizens. Public sector wages vanish within days of payment. Thomas Kwanabuda Panapa achinzi aiwa, these guys, they really know kuti Geza angakonzeresa, and he is their threat panguva ine vari into power. Tuze mafunguro imo tuli pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.